I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the final frame, pick vertical 4, 5 or 16:9 if repurposing. Once chosen, import the original image and a saved reference into your editing app so you always compare. Make sure to duplicate the file, work on a copy to avoid losing originals. Open basic tools first: exposure, white balance, and crop. Start with subtle global fixes. Adjust exposure, then white balance, because correcting overall light makes targeted edits faster and more accurate. Now you move into detailed work. Use local tools to refine specific areas. Paint with a brush to brighten eyes or dodge one area, apply a radial filter for subject emphasis, and use gradients to balance skies or foregrounds. Once done, dial contrast and clarity in small steps to keep skin natural while enhancing texture. Introduce selective color grading to set a mood, and remove distractions using the healing tool. Make sure to zoom in often. Small fixes show at full size. Finish by preparing the file for Instagram. Export at 1080px width, sRGB, JPEG quality around 80 to 90%, and name a version for feed and another for stories if needed. Preview in an Instagram mockup to confirm crop and overall brightness. Make small tweaks when something looks off. If you see banding or posterization, reduce saturation slightly or export a PNG for smoother gradients. One troubleshooting tip: if colors shift, check your app's color profile and re-export with sRGB enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.